Hey CodexWarrior, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how you can create new user in Kali Linux. So whether you are setting up a new account for a colleague or just learning the ropes, we have got you covered. Let's get started. So first of all, open your Linux machine and after we have to open our terminal. Let me increase its size. Okay. Now create a new user. You need root privilege. For that, we have to log in as a root. So press sudo, press enter, and after you have to enter your password. Okay. Now to add new user, we have to keep command add user and name of the user, new user you want to add. For example, in my case, I'm going to keep it warrior. Press enter. It will ask for new password. So just make a new strong password. Press enter. Retype the password. Thereafter, it is going to ask for some more details, but these are optional. You can simply skip it by pressing enter. Keep pressing enter and press Y. Okay. Now our new user has been added. And the next step, what we are going to do is add our new user to sudo group. For example, I have logged in as a codex. So I type the sudo su, I give command sudo su, and I have log in as a root. But if I not add our new user, which is warrior, to root, then if I'm logged in as a warrior and I give sudo su command, I can't log in as a root. So if you want to add it, you can add. I'm taking you right now, but if you don't want to add, then it's all up to you, your will. So what we're going to do is now to add it to sudo group, we will write user mod dash a is for append and capital G for group. Name of the group, which is sudo, and name of the user which we want to add, so warrior, and press enter. So our warrior group has warrior username has been added to sudo group. The next we are going to see is we are going to log in it as a warrior. We can do simply it by pressing su space dash and press y, sorry, whatever you have kept name of your user, you can press that and press enter. Now you can see that I have been logged in as warrior at the rate of Kali whatever. Now if I want to, since we are added to sudo group, to check it, we will simply type sudo. So it is asking for password. This proves that our new user, which is warrior, is added to sudo group as well. So guys, by this way you can create new user in Kali Linux, and there you have it. We have successfully created new user in Kali Linux. That's all for today's guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion, leave them in the comment box. Thanks for watching.